Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to share your Xbox game library with friends. So I'm going to walk you through a step-to-step guide on how to get it done. So on the step one, you have to sign into your friend's Xbox. So to sign into your friend's Xbox, you have to press the Xbox button on the controller, then go to profile and system, and click or go to add or switch, then click on add new, then sign in with your Xbox account. Then on the step 2, set their Xbox as your home Xbox, then go to settings. Under settings, go to general. Under general, go to personalization. Then under personalization, go to my home Xbox, then select make this my home Xbox. Then on step 3, you have to sign out of your account. Then your friends can now play your purchased game and Game Pass on their account. Then on step 4, play your games on your own Xbox. You must be online to access your games. Then that's it. Then note, you can only switch home Xbox 5 times per year. So that's it. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more content like this. Thank you.